Hey guys, it's Sierra and today I'm talking to you about this telescopic pole saw from Ego. So I have all the parts laid out here. I am going to assemble it, but first just want to tell you a few of the features. So you have a carbon fiber shaft, so it's going to be super strong. You get 13 feet of reach with this product, but if you did need to extend it a little bit further, you can buy the extension pole, which will give you up to 17 feet. It comes with a 10-inch saw blade, which gives you smooth and precise cutting. It also has a shoulder strap for extra comfort while you're cutting. There's also an LED light, so when you're cutting in dark or kind of dim lit places, you can see what you're doing. And you get 100 cuts per charge, so it's gonna last a super long time. Just to show you the other parts here, here we have the handle, and then there's a battery release in the back. Note the battery is sold separately, both the battery and the charger are sold separate, so make sure you don't forget to buy those. Here we have the handle. This you can adjust to whatever side you need if you're lefty or righty. The blade, like I said, and the chainsaw. I'm going to install this in just a moment, but I went with Ego because I've always heard that they're by far the best as far as quality goes. And I'm going to use this instruction manual to put it together.